From time to time, you might want to make changes to a web page without affecting the live website. So you want visitors to be able to see the page that you've already created, but you want to make some tweaks to a page, and you want to take your time with that without disrupting the live page that people are viewing. This is also a good thing to do if you just want to experiment with the web builder. The web builder is such a powerful tool within EzyCourse. In the new year, I'm going to go into a lot more detail on it, but for now I thought I'd record this that I think will help you out. So back on the dashboard view for EzyCourse, I'm in the website builder, all site pages. I've got a list of my pages, and it's actually this page here that's set to the home page at the moment. You can see actually in page type it's got this green home icon, which means that that is the first page people are going to see when they go to your website address. So this one I want to leave in place because there's visitors hitting the site. I just want to make a copy of this page and work on that new copy. So very simply, what I do is I click the clone button next to the row, and I'm going to give this new page a name. Let's call it new version homepage. We'll just click create on that. And you can see here the page has already been created just at the top, and it's now ready for me to go into the builder and do what I like to it. Now I can make changes to this page in the comfort of the fact that nobody on the live website is seeing what I'm working on here. So I can make all sorts of adaptations to this page and not worry about, you know, getting into a panic to get it up and running because there's people looking. I can take my time with this, and you know, like I say, I'm going to go in the new year into a lot more detail in terms of some of the things that you can do with the web builder, but it's very powerful to add sections in and just change things, and you know, you can drop all manner of different things. Let's say you had a blog page go in on the site itself, you could drop in this little widget here that gives people a preview of the latest blogs. So yeah, where have we got to? We're just here. So this is the page as I've changed it here, and I'm just going to click on save up there, and then I'm going to close this down. So you can see back on the page view, I've got the original home page here, but I've now got this new version at the top. And one thing I like to do before I make a page live, which is something we'll do in a short while, is I just like to go into the edit section, and I just like to make sure that all this is filled out well. So definitely the title at the top needs to be something that's user friendly. That isn't. New version homepage doesn't make sense. Maybe a brief title of what the page is about will be a lot better. And certainly on the SEO tab, you want the titles and the descriptions to be good. And also, if you want to choose an image to appear as a thumbnail, what that means is when you share that page on social media, for example, it displays really nicely. Back on all site pages, all I need to do then to make this page the home page rather than this page is literally just click on that button just there, which is mark as home. And when I do that, that will set this page to the home page, and it will deactivate the other one and change the link of it so that people hit this new version of the page. So it's a really good thing that you can do that just takes off the pressure in terms of editing web pages, especially if you're new to the web builder and you want to experiment and explore. It's good to make mistakes, it's good to get things wrong, but it's nice to have the comfort that you're doing that on a page that isn't affecting your main website. Hope you found that helpful.